Before the cream, before the formula sours, it begins here, in the quiet of early morning.
Every piece of equipment sanitized, every step deliberate cold. The milk demands it.
Clean hands, calm animals brawled. The first rule of quality milk is trust. Every milliliter logged. Every animal monitored. Nothing here is wasted.
Donkey milk, Häuf, rare, rich in proteins and vitamins, Häuf, flows at only 1 to 2 liters per session.
Chilled within minutes of collection, temperature is the guardian of every bioactive compound. Sealed, labeled, traceable tannin, the harvest is complete. Now it must travel. From cold storage to cold chain retrieval, the milk never warms, not even for a moment.
The refrigerated van has been running since 4 a.m. Temperature locked at 2 degrees Celsius.
6 vessels, 41 litres, the entire morning harvest, secured for transit.
Every departure is a handoff, from farm precision to factory readiness. Dock to dock, the milk arrives exactly as it left, cold, sealed, and accounted for.
12 kilometers between farm and factory, traveled in under 20 minutes, temperature unbroken.
Clearance granted. The cold chain enters its next link.
A facility built for one purpose, woven, to transform the rarest agricultural milk into precision skincare.
The receiving dock is the facility's first filter. Nothing enters without documentation.
Before any worker touches the process, the air itself cleans them.
Every zone is separated, every entry logged. Contamination has nowhere to enter.
The milk enters the lab before it enters any machine. Science checks what the farm delivered.
Full gowning takes 4 minutes. No shortcuts. No exceptions.
pH 6.8. Stable. Clean. The first vessel passes its first test.
Before processing begins, the milk must be clean, every particle, every trace of sediment removed.
The first filter removes what the eye can barely see, but the skin would certainly feel.
At 0.8 microns, the ceramic membrane catches what no human eye could ever identify. Pressure, temperature, flow rate. The data trail never stops, Weven, not even between filters. 4 degrees Celsius. The milk is cold, clean, and ready for the next stage of separation. The centrifuge does what gravity cannot, separating cream from milk in under 4 minutes. 2 fractions, 2 destinations. Every molecule of this milk has a role in the cream to come. The emulsion hall is where chemistry begins, where milk and science meet for the first time.
Pasteurization preserves the milk's bioactive proteins while eliminating any microbial risk.
30 minutes at 63 degrees, a precise window that protects without destroying. Cooled in minutes, the milk exits pasteurization ready, clean, stable, and preserved.
Every ingredient weighed to the gram. The formula was years in development. The ratios are fixed.
The oil phase melts slowly, evenly, every degree controlled, every rotation counted. Oil phase and water phase, heated separately, they will become one only when the moment is exactly right.
Both phases ready. Both temperatures locked. The emulsification window is open for exactly 90 seconds.
At 3,000 RPM, oil and water do what nature never intended. They become one.
Vitamin E locks in stability. The lyophilized powder doubles the milk's bioactive concentration.
Viscosity tells the truth, and when the number holds, the emulsion is real.
As it cools, it becomes texture forming, structure building, molecule by molecule.
Allantoin,
Stabilizer.
the last additions that turn chemistry into skincare. The emulsion moves under its own weight now, Harriot. Dense, stable, complete.
Every air bubble removed, because in a cream, air is instability waiting to happen.
The pipeline carries what hands cannot, 40 liters of finished emulsion, sealed from air and contact.
The filling hall runs on precision, flown. Every jar, every gram, every seal governed by programmed instruction.
50 milliliters, bottom-up fill. No air, no waste, no variation, and the machine holds to 2 decimal places. Orientation takes half a second. Misalignment costs an entire jar IRI. The machine allows neither. The seal is the promise, airtight, tamper-evident, preserving everything the process built. The label carries the story, accurate. Every ingredient, every batch number, every promise made visible.
30 jars, each one checked by hand before any machine sees it again.
118.4 grams. The scale does not negotiate clumsily. It simply confirms or rejects. 12 Newton centimeters, a number that means the seal holds aero through shipping, through storage, through time. The shrink band is the final physical barrier, visible proof that nothing has been touched. 6 jars per box, 1 leaflet per box. The packaging line runs on rhythm values, and rhythm run on precision. Sealed, labeled, scanned. The box enters the inventory the moment it leaves the line.
Every batch sends 6 samples here, dub here, and not one jar ships until this room gives its answer.
Color, texture, consistency. The first tests require no instrument, only trained eyes and experienced hands.
pH 5.8, matching the skin's own surface chemistry. The cream will not irritate. The number confirms it. 42,000 centipoise crow. Thick enough to protect, light enough to absorb. The formula holds.
The agar plates will answer in 48 hours. Until then, the batch waits.
The agar plates will answer in 48 hours, call it. Until then, the batch waits. Stress tests tell the truth that standard conditions hide. The cream must survive the journey, not just the lab.
At 400 times magnification, a perfect emulsion looks like a universe of identical moons.
Batch 001 is released. Prepare for palletizing.
No colonies, no compromise. The batch is clean, and now it can move.
The warehouse receives what the factory produces canned. And here, order is everything.
Bay B4, second tier, Green. The batch rests here until the dispatch order comes.
The dispatch order closes the loop, Dulin, from farm gate to loading dock in 72 hours.
And this is how modern factories produce donkey milk beauty cream printing from start to finish.